Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining us today. Today we're going to be creating a Christmas long low table arrangement using one of our DIY kits. So this is a fantastic way to transform your dining table this festive season. In the kit, your accessories will come unwired, so you will need to wire them. In this particular kit we've got cones and we've got orange slicers. I'm just going to show you quickly how to wire those up. So you could wire the orange slicers in sets of 2, but on this occasion I'm going to do them individually. So very simply, just push your wire through, bring the 2 ends of the wire together, forming a double leg mount, and then just literally twist. And that's all there is to it. And then with your cone, you thread the wire through the little segments at the base of the cone and just bring those wires together and twist. Simple as that. And you're ready to go. So enjoy. So for more seasonal inspiration, we have lots of Christmas DIY kits on our website. So visit www.trianglenursery.co.uk. And as always, I have some top tips for you. So top tip number 1, you could add candles or accessories to this to personalise it. I'm using a plastic candle holder here, which you can find on our website, along with all the candles that you might need. And then top tip number 2, remove the design from the table before watering, just to avoid spillage. Top tip number 3, you could actually make this up a couple of days in advance. Leave it somewhere cool and dark and keep it well watered. You could, if you wanted to, actually put the foliage in first and then add the flowers at a later date, if you want to keep the longevity of the flowers to a maximum point. And then top tip number 4, if you wanted, you could actually make this front facing instead of long, low and all round, and then you could set it on the mantelpiece. So lots of options for you. So for tips, hints and inspirational seasonal ideas, visit our YouTube channel and subscribe, and like us, share us and comment in the box below, because we love to get your feedback. I look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.